Have you ever wondered about the possibility of growing your own food but feared the effort it might require? Fear not! Today, we're uncovering the secrets of effortless gardening, or as we like to call it, lazy gardening. Picture a garden that requires minimal upkeep while yielding an abundance of fresh, healthy produce. It might seem like a dream, but it's entirely attainable with the right approach. Firstly, the foundation of any lazy garden is creating a low-maintenance environment. Raised garden beds are a perfect solution. They provide a multitude of benefits, including reduced weeding and less strain on your back. Next, choosing the right plants is crucial. Opt for low-maintenance crops that are easy to grow, such as tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs. These resilient plants require little attention and can thrive in a variety of conditions, making them perfect for the laid-back gardener. Once your plants are in place, consider adding a layer of mulch. It's about more than just aesthetics. Mulch serves a dual purpose. It helps retain moisture in the soil, ensuring your plants stay hydrated, and it suppresses weed growth by blocking sunlight, preventing weed seeds from sprouting. Watering your plants might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Consider installing a drip irrigation system. This ensures your plants receive a consistent amount of water without the need for daily manual watering. It's a little investment up front that saves you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Finally, enjoy the fruits of your minimal labor. Harvesting your own produce is a rewarding experience that also saves you money. It's a win-win situation. In summary, lazy gardening revolves around making smart choices. Opt for raised garden beds to reduce maintenance, choose easy-to-grow crops, use mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds, and install a drip irrigation system to automate watering. With these tips, you can sit back, relax, and watch your garden grow. Remember, gardening doesn't have to be hard work. In fact, with a lazy garden, the less work, the better.